Hey, savvy savers and future financial freedom fighters. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the complex world of money into bite-sized, actionable advice. I'm your host, Finance Bro, and today, we're tackling a topic that's close to my heart and crucial for your financial health: building an emergency fund. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Finance Bro, why do I need an emergency fund? Picture this: your car breaks down unexpectedly, there's a sudden job loss, or a medical emergency pops up. These aren't just scenarios. They're real-life events that can hit your finances like a ton of bricks. But fear not, because today, I'm laying out a foolproof 5-step strategy to build an emergency fund that not only cushions you against life's surprises, but also empowers you to face financial challenges head-on. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, grab a notebook, and let's dive into these 5 essential steps to building an emergency fund that could very well be your financial lifeline. Because remember, in the world of Finance Bro, we're all about making smart moves today for a worry-free tomorrow. Let's get started. 1. Set several smaller savings goals, rather than one large one. Set yourself up for success from the start. Rather than shooting for 3 months' worth of expenses right away, shoot for 1 month, or 2 weeks, whatever it takes to make your first goal seem doable. Reaching that first goal can give you the motivation to keep going. Set your second goal higher, and the third even higher. By then, saving will have become a habit, and the positive motivation you're building by reaching the smaller goals will help propel you toward larger ones. 2. Start with small, regular contributions. Set your initial contribution level at a relatively small amount. That will ensure you don't stress your cash flow, making it too easy for you to rationalize abandoning your savings routine. Find something in your life you can live without, or with less. Trim back the monthly coffee habit a bit. Pass on that new pair of shoes, or one big night out. Choose that amount, whether it's $5 or $100, and commit to saving it at regular intervals, per month, per week, or per paycheck. The key is that it needs to become a habit, not a recurring struggle. 3. Automate your savings. Out of sight, out of mind. The easiest way to save money is never to touch it in the first place. Most employers provide direct deposit, and some will even deposit to more than one account. Set up a separate account just for your emergency fund and have your chosen contribution amount deposited automatically, either by your employer or your bank. Use a savings or other type of account that you can't access easily, unlike a checking account. Chances are you won't miss it. And don't watch the account balance continually. That will only make growth seem smaller and slower. Forget about it and let time do its thing. 4. Don't increase monthly spending or open new credit cards. Once saving has become automatic, don't be lulled into a false sense of financial security and let spending creep up again. For example, if you gave up a new pair of shoes every month only to replace it a couple of months later with a new monthly shopping habit, you're not saving at all. If you still have an extra $50 left over each month, maybe your savings deposit amount is too low. If you don't have an extra $50, you may be running up a credit card balance. Neither is productive. You shouldn't stop enjoying life while you build your emergency fund, but you shouldn't lose sight of its importance either. Having an adequate emergency fund is critical to your financial well-being. Be realistic, but try to reach your ultimate savings goal as fast as you can. That alone might make life more enjoyable. 5. Don't oversave, or, more accurately, don't devote too much of your savings to your emergency fund. By definition, an emergency fund is cash you can access quickly. That means you are most likely storing it in a low-yield vehicle like a savings account, that is, earning an extremely low rate of interest. For that reason alone, you should stop contributing to that account once you've reached your ultimate goal. Start depositing into an account where it will start earning money on its own, ideally your retirement account, where time will enable it to bear the most fruit. Balancing debt and your emergency fund. If you are in the process of paying off high-interest loans or credit cards, be sure to balance your desire to accumulate an emergency fund with your need to get out of debt. It's important to save for emergencies, but every day that you're still in debt is costing you money. What you're saving in one account could end up being canceled out by the interest you're being charged in the other. Instead, you may want to set a more modest emergency fund goal at the start and put any additional amount you can hoard your debt. Once that's retired, you can accelerate your emergency fund savings and raise that goal. In the meantime, having a small cushion is better than having no cushion at all. And there you have it, folks, the 5 pivotal steps to fortify your finances with a rock-solid emergency fund. Remember, starting is the hardest part, but with perseverance and a bit of Finance Bro wisdom, you're already on the path to financial resilience. Now, I want to hear from you. Which step are you going to tackle first? Do you have any life-saving tips or stories about how an emergency fund came to your rescue? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insight not only enriches our community, but also inspires others to take action. If this video sparked a light bulb moment or gave you that much needed nudge to start building your emergency fund, why not spread the love? Share this video with friends, family, or anyone who could benefit from a financial safety net. Together, we can turn the tide on financial uncertainty. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to join our growing family of finance aficionados. Here, we're all about empowering you with knowledge, strategies, and a sprinkle of finance bro flair to navigate the financial maze with confidence. Don't forget to smash that like button as a salute to financial preparedness. And share this video to keep the momentum going. Every like, share, and new subscriber adds another brick to our community's fortress of financial literacy. I'm Finance Bro, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through the essentials of emergency fund building. Stay savvy, stay secure, and as always, keep making smart financial choices. Until next time, let's keep growing together. Finance Bro, signing off.